Amazfit Bip U smartwatch to launch in India on October 16th. Amazfit is all set to launch its latest affordable smartwatch, the Amazfit Bip U, in India. The company has confirmed that the Amazfit Bip U will go official on the 16th of October in the country. The watch will go on sale via Amazon India and Amazfit's online store. Though the launch is still a week or so away, the company has bared all of the details, including the design and internal specifications on its dedicated microsite on Amazon. Amazfit Bip U has an Apple Watch-like design, complete with curved corners around the display to the crown present on the right edge. The body is made of polycarbonate, while the strap uses silicone material. You get a 1.43-inch TFT color display that has a 320x302 pixel resolution on the front. The touch screen comes with anti-fingerprint coating for avoiding smudges on the screen. Moreover, there are more than 50 watch faces to choose from, and you can even upload your own images to use as a watch face. As far as the features are concerned, Amazfit promises over 60 sports modes on the Bip U. The company offers blood oxygen level measurement, sleep monitoring, 24/7 heart rate tracking, stress monitoring, and menstrual cycle tracking. In terms of connectivity, you get Bluetooth 5.0 LE, and the smartwatch is compatible with Android phones running 5.0 and above and iOS devices running iOS 10.0 and above. The 225 mAh battery on the Amazfit Bip U will last up to 9 days on normal usage. Completely charging the smartwatch using the clip or 2-pins pogo pin takes about 2 hours. Amazfit has not revealed the price of the Bip U smartwatch yet, but we will learn that soon since the launch is just a week away from now. Hence, stay tuned for updates.